Metal roof cleaning is something many homeowners forget to do. While metal roofing is designed to last, annual basic maintenance can help ensure its longevity. Debris such as leaves, sticks, and dirt, combined with high moisture levels, can contribute to premature aging through discoloration or corrosion. Here are 5 ways you can prepare your metal roof for the winter season. Begin by removing any large debris such as tree branches by hand. Ensure you have washcloths, sponges, soft bristle brushes, or non-abrasive pads on hand. Wash the roof with a hose or power washer set on a low setting. This may be all that is required. If you have stubborn dirt and grime, dissolve 1/3 cup Tide detergent into 1 gallon of water. Apply the detergent solution to the roof and allow it to sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Next, rinse the soap away with clean water. Be sure to check areas such as valleys, roof transitions, and behind chimneys where debris can get caught. Always check the warranty provided by your metal roofing and siding product manufacturer for additional maintenance tips.